Okay, so right now we made a lot of things. So right now all we're doing is we're making slime as in the title. First before we get into this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. And if you want a shout out, then just comment down below. So all you're gonna need is some laundry detergent and some glue. It's clear a clear bottle, because basically I just filled it in with some white glue, you know. And now I'm just gonna mix some of the glue, you know. I'm sorry, my annoying sister will not move. So right now we are going to be doing it. Yes, lighting, perfect, like this. Come here, Leah. Okay. Hey guys, so since we change the spaces, we have to move a little bit closer. So right now, this is my slime. I'm gonna start pouring. I don't really want color, so you know, I'm gonna start pouring some Tide. And right now, I am going to pour a little bit of pink in it, because I want a light pink color. And it's sort of now forming. You can see, it's getting a little bit of pink, just a little bit of it. So look like white to kind of like a pinkish color. And right now, I'm just gonna add a little bit of just a little bit of pink. And then I'm gonna keep mixing and mixing. It's really good if you mix, so when you actually make the slime and it turns out really good. Ooh, frick! I think I added too much pink. Don't you think? So here is my slime right here. Oh God! It needs a little more activator, but that's okay. So let me ooh, frick. I just found a really bad thing, and then now it's kind of pink. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Hey Zara, help me. Oh, Zara, God. Help me. Oh God. Help. Okay. You better see this, guys. Oh God, why? This slime is so sticky. I need to add more activator. By the way, you should have told me. I'm like, Zara, I need a little. No, here on my thing. This is what happens when you invite Leah. Very funny. Well, it's true, but very funny. See, now I made it much more better by my hands. Come on, help me with my pants. Just get your pants out of the way. No, just help me. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, so. It's karma. Whatever. Okay, so while she's getting it off her pants. Hold on. No! I want to punch you. Leah had to leave she didn't leave because we're having a sleepover, but she needed to change her pants because she made a mistake with the slime and then it got all over her pants. So right now she's changing. And I'm just making it a little bit pinker. And as you can see, I'm going to be pouring this into it. Just a little by little until it forms into a really good consistency. Keep making it like that. Let me show you up close. Oh, frick. I got it all over my camera. Can you please get me like a towel? Oh God, this is. Okay, so now that it's all cleaned off, now I'm gonna like show you like better, like that. That is like the final touch, and then all we have to do is just put a little more. There we go. Now that I like put like a little more, like it's like just like forming. Look. Just adding a little bit more. And then now that I like keep mixing it, this is like a trick, just add like laundry detergent to your like hands. So when you like touch it, then it's gonna like get off you like really nicely. And it won't be that sticky. So let's try that. Leah! So this is like this. Oh, my nose is itchy. This is like perfect slime. Can't believe I like made this good. Let me show you like up close in a second. So like that is like it. So let me go to like a shape or spot where you can like see me. But because I think it's like too like cotton candy like pink, I'm just gonna like take a little bit of the paint. Washable paint is like the best, so you don't get like anything on you. There we go.
Are you done with your slime?
Almost. Can you show them your slime to see how it turned out?
I'm gonna bring the phone.
Oh my God, this is so pretty.
Okay, so I'm going to bring my slime. I'm going to show you my slime. It is actually a really.
Look at my slime. So pretty, right?
I love my slime so much.
I love my slime so much too. Okay, so these are what our slimes look like.
This is my slime.
Comment down below which one you think is better.
I don't really like pink, so you know.
I love pink. You should really see my room. And guys, if you want to see a room tour, then just comment down below, because that's what I'm thinking of next week on Friday. Because now I know that I said in my first video that I was 11. Actually, I'm 10. I don't know why that I said I was 11, but you know, whatever. And I'm in 4th grade going to 5th.
Okay.
Frick! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It actually looked like cotton candy. You got a little bit more than me.
Of what?
You want? We still be wicked. Now that I add a little bit more glue, I'm just going to do it all over my hands again. And guys, this is the end of the video. So I hope you liked it.
Liked it.
Liked it because. And
remember, subscribe, and thank you for watching.
For another video.
Bye.